Hey friends, welcome to the channel. I've seen a lot of videos on YouTube on how can you make more than $300 in a single day and $9,000 in a month just by doing this very simple task on Google. So I was interested on this, and let's try together to see how much we're going to get over this simple task that we are going to do on Google. The good thing about this is that you really don't need to have an experience, and you can do this anywhere around the world. So today we're going to use this video for data. So let's dive in and see how much we're going to make through this simple task. And you have to do the following. You have to go to Google and search Google News. After this page show up, you'll be able to see different news as you can see on your screen there. And on the top of this page, you can see popular topic, business news, technology news, sports, and health news. So today we are going to choose health news as odetta did, and this is what we are actually going to do as well. So right after choosing health topic, you'll be able to find many latest article about health topic, and you have to choose any latest article which you are interested in, and you have to copy all these article. So right after copying this article, you have to go to this website which is called spinboard.com. The reason of coming to this website is that is to paste all these articles that you have recently copied from Google News, and this platform will help you to rewrite your article to look more original and to avoid all copyright issues. Your article has to be seen as more original, so that's the reason you came to this website which is called spinboard.com in order for you to rewrite this article. So you have to paste your article by clicking here, then scroll down and click basic spin as you can see on the screen there, and shortly your new article will be ready as you can see there. But you have to take a few minutes to read your article, and you have to make sure that everything is well arranged in this article. You have to delete all unnecessary words and anything that is not necessary on the article, because the team of editors will review your article, so that they have to make sure that this article is more original. So you have to make sure that everything that is not necessary on this article you have to delete. Then we have to go to this next step. So according to Odetta, she has mentioned more than 8 websites that you can go to this website, submit your article, and you can get paid just after submitting your article. And you can get paid starting $50, $300 in a single day, and for a month's calculation, that means that you're going to get more than $9,000. So let's try and see how much we're going to get paid on this website. But on this video, we're just going to choose only 3 websites. As I told you before, that you had the opportunity to choose any topic that you wanted from Google News. It can be about technology, sports, health, etc. So on this website that we're going to try, website number 1, which is called A List Apart. This website is all about web developing and coding. So this website is about technology. So you had to pick a topic about technology from Google News. So let's see what this website wants. So this is what I discovered on my way to make more than $300 on this website, which is called A List Apart. This website is not active website, first of all, and they've just posted 1 article in this year, as you can see on this page, but also last year they posted only 4 articles. So it's really not active website, and it's really hard to make $300 on this website, because as you can see that there are a lot of things to be considered before you send them article. They can review your article, and it usually takes more than a week for them to get back to you and give feedback about your article. So it's really not easy for you to make more than $300 on this website. So I really want to be honest with you, it's better not to try to this website, because not a lot of people are being accepted on this website. As you can see, not a lot of articles are posted on this website, so it will be kind of a waste of time. You will keep waiting on their feedback, and it's just a waste of time. So I tried this other website which is called Strong Whispers, and they say that you can get paid more than $50 per 1 article or $75 per 1 article. So I was really interested on this article, as Odetta said that you can really get paid just by submitting this article to this website. So this is what I found on this website. As you can see on this screen, is that this program is currently suspended while we redesign and migrate to the website. So this is not working for now. It's really not working. So you cannot make money on this website because it's not working. And they say that they get a lot of applications, they get a lot of articles, so you will have to wait for 7 days for you to be accepted. And if you're not accepted within 7 days, that means that you're not chosen. So it's really not easy again for you to make $50 per article on this website, because a lot of people are sending to this website, and it's not guaranteed that you're going to make this kind of money on this website, because for now it's not available, it's suspended. So it's really not easy to make that kind of money on this website. That was our second website. Let's go to our third website. Our third website is called International Living, and I think it's very important for you to understand before going to submit an article that you have written or you are about to write to send to this website. You have to consider the following. So this is a website that you write article about a place that you already have experience with. Let's say that you stayed in Paris, you stayed in Kenya, Africa, and you have experience about that place. So you write article about the press, and they need to make sure that you really know the press, like you know the hidden hotels in Kenya, the cheapest place to stay in Paris. This is what they need you to write on these articles. So if you already have those experience, you are free to write an article about that. But it's not about copying from Google News to write on this website. You really need to have experience about things that you're writing about. So this is what they really consider on this website. So it's really not easy again to make that kind of money on this website if you don't have experience about what you're writing about. Let's say that you have never stayed in Paris and now you're writing an article about Paris. So it's really not easy for you to get that kind of money through this website. So these are three websites that I tried to see, is it really possible to make $300 just by copying article from Google News and going to this website and start making money. It's really not easy as you think. So this is my opinion over this website that they say that you can make more than $300 in a single day or $9,000 in a month. I think this is not possible because not a lot of websites are going to publish your article every single day. There will be time that editors will have to review your article, and it will take some days. It can take like 2 days or 7 days for your article to be reviewed. So it's not something that is going to be posted every single day. So it's really not possible to make more than $9,000 in a month or $300 every single day. That's really not possible. This is what I had to learn on how much you can actually make on this website, and I found out that it's really not easy to make this kind of money on this website, because there are a lot of things to be considered, but also there are other websites which are not working up to now. So thanks so much for watching my videos. I hope you subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks so much, and I hope to see you next time.